ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್. ಮೊದಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ 5 ವರ್ಷ. ಅವರು ತೋರಿಸಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸ್.
Arna, you want to sit next to her? Here. No, plums.
That's fine. That's fine. She wants to sit next to you. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, sweet. Be careful. After school.
We also need water. Oh, no, water, Mommy.
Aradhya no show. Next participant Tanvi Katti, 8 years old. Her talent would be hula hoop. Your time starts now. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಹಾನ್ 7 ವರ್ಷ. ಇವರು USA ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. Vihan, your time starts now.
Arkansas,
Rock.
Delaware,
Dover.
Florida,
Tallahassee.
Idaho,
Boise.
Iowa,
Des Moines.
Kentucky,
Frankfurt.
Maine,
Augusta.
Midland,
Annapolis.
Alaska,
Juneau.
Arizona,
Phoenix.
California,
Sacramento.
Georgia,
Atlanta.
Hawaii,
Honolulu.
Kansas,
Topeka.
Maryland,
Annapolis.
Michigan,
Lansing.
Virginia,
Richmond.
Texas,
Austin.
South Dakota.
Pierre.
Okay, Vihan, that was awesome. Your time is up. Thank you. Next participant, Atar Gopal, 7 ವರ್ಷ. ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ವಯಲಿನ್. Atar Gopal no show. He's not participating. Next participant Purvi, 8 ವರ್ಷ, piano.